Good morning, everyone. Well, we are back in the car. We've got to go back into town today. It's Easter Monday and got a lot of running around. Charmin didn't get his suit yesterday, so he's going to go do some of that today. But we are at McDonald's, just about to have breakfast. I forgot to put my hash brown in though, so Charmin's just gone in to get my hash brown because he's so lovely. I have my takeaway Costa coffee. Well, it's not actually, I made it at home, but then Costa cups. We're going to set ourselves up for the day. And yeah, so I'm probably going to be sat around having coffees by myself while he goes and does some things. He's got to change his phone because his phone's upgraded. But it's not as warm today, but it's still a lovely day here. So I hope it's lovely where you all are. I'm going to have my cheesy bacon flatbread with my hash brown. Oh, here he comes, here he comes. He's coming with my hash brown. Oh, can't wait. We just love, oh, he's so adorable. He is my Prince Charming, seriously. Here he comes. He's so lovely. Honey, I'm filming, so don't swear. Not that you would, of course. What have you got for me, honey? You found it. What have you got for me, honey?
A hash brown.
Show everyone what you've got. Hash brown. Yes, we can eat our breakfast now. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Oh,
Mackie D Brecky.
Yes. So we're gonna have our breakfast, and I might be back later. Hi everyone, so I am on coffee number 4, 5, I don't know. It's now 1:10. When I did my recording this morning, it was about 9:30. The good news is Charmin did find his shirt, his shoes, his suit. So we got an awful lot done. So still running around, got a few more things to do. So it's been a good day. I'm really wired though. I've had too many coffees. Gosh. Oh dear, oh dear. Anyhow, yeah, I just sat here having a moment and just thought, oh, I'll just say hello to you all and let you know what's going on in my day, which isn't really that much. Just lots of coffee and more coffee and more coffee. And then going home to do videos. So I shall see you all soon. Okay, I'm a little bit bored, as you can see, so I thought I would ask your opinion on something. My daughter talked me into getting these glasses. I have to wear glasses to drive. I do not like them. I think I look like Dame Edna Everage. She said they suit me. What do you think? Am I just so bored that I don't know what I'm doing? No, opinion please. I really don't know. I don't like them. Too late now, I've got them. I look a bit Dame Edna Everage though, don't I? Right everyone, so I am back. So let's take a look at what's in my basket. Today we have some really interesting dies here. So the first one are these large letter alphabet dies. They're £9.33, but they're a really nice size, and you can obviously put any words on your projects, and you know they are, you know, really, really lovely, and they're fun as well. Really, really fun to put on your projects there. Okay, so the next item in my bag or my trolley is these gorgeous bag dies. Look at this really fun bags that you can make. You can make plain ones, or there's a patterned one. You get the dies for plain or patterned, and they are £8.94. So much fun. Cannot wait for these to arrive. We then have this lovely, gorgeous Christmassy house. It's £8.26, and it's like a box, like one of those milk carton boxes. And look, gingerbread house, and oh, so much fun. So Christmassy, or you could make the box plain, it doesn't really matter. There's a bit of variety here to make the Christmassy one. Yeah, so make them in time for Christmas. We then have this almost like a crate box die set, £7.48. Super easy and fast to make. You'll be making loads of these in next to no time, and lots of goodies to put in them. And this next one, really, really pretty as well. It's like you can put flowers in it or chocolates or anything you want. And they are £7.48. I just thought it'd be nice to make some gift bags and that for presents and or whatever you want, really. You know, if you're visiting people in hospital maybe, or just a gift, say thank you. Just lovely. This next one is like a decorative box card, and it's £7 and two, and you've got all these different frames, so lots of variety here to make with this die set. And I really do love the examples here. You know, you can make these little cards with them, so quite a lot of different options. Really yummy. And then we have, look at this lovely swing card. Oh, I do love these swing cards. And this is £7 for this die. And you can make some really fun cards and put lots of different centres in the middle. A really yummy die set here. I love it. Love the examples as well. And then we have these, like, they're almost like little chip boxes, little gift boxes that go into each other, and these are £6.47 with the decorative fronts, so you can make them plain or decorative. Look at these cute, like, satchel boxes. Oh my gosh, these are just yummy. £6.25. Look, with a little pocket at the front and the little sort of flip top. Oh my gosh, these are just too gorgeous. Really, really, really lovely. I couldn't believe it when I found this one. Love it, and love it. And this next die set is super fun. It's like a journal, like a book. You know, it helps you to make like a journal. If you're not too good at sewing in signatures, then this is a really good die. It makes these little books. They're not huge, but they are super lovely. £6.09 for this lovely die set. This is like, I have two, so there's another memory book maker here as well, and this one is £6.07. It has a more decorative front, just really, really pretty, but it, you know, helps you to sort of make this little memory book very, very, very easily. Yeah, can't wait. £6.07. Lots and lots of goodies coming in the post, and lots of different things to try out. So as you can see, we've got lots of different goodies here in the basket today. If you'd like to order any of them, the links are in the description below. Lots of fun to be had, and lots of different things rather than embellishments and charms, etc. I thought I would show you some different things that I'm going to be up to. Thanks for watching. Bye.